Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. This is Keith Everett, and today I'm going to give you a very quick Facebook tip. Go to your personal Facebook wall, which is what you're looking at now. This is mine, and you probably don't know this, but just underneath your profile picture here, you have a little space underneath your name where you can add things. And recently, Facebook seemed to have added this facility where you can now add your website. It's very simple. You just got an edit button here. Just click that and you can just put in what you do, etc., and put the address of your website in here too. And people can actually see this and click on it. So I thought that was a pretty good feature. So I hope you've enjoyed this quick tip. If you have, don't forget to subscribe if you're watching this on YouTube, and click the link below to find out the books that I've recently published on lots of great tips and ideas for you. Hope you like this tip. I'll speak to you soon. Bye for now.